Welcome to YouTube Talk. I'm Denise Jordan and I teach women how to grow their influence through YouTube. So if that sounds like something that you want to do, then hit that subscribe button and double tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And invite your friends to join us. Okay, let's talk about how to create a playlist. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to your home page. Next, you'll need to go to YouTube Studio. To get there, click on your picture in the top right-hand corner, and when the drop-down box appears, click on YouTube Studio. Next, look to the left-hand side of the screen and note the little parallel lines with the triangle play icon. This is the playlist icon. Click on it. This screen gives you the option to create a new playlist. Look to the right. See the new playlist button. Click on that and you'll get some new directions. A dialog box opens up and asks you to name your new playlist. When you mouse over the text box, the names of your other playlists will appear. Don't choose any of those. You are creating a new playlist. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm creating a What's for Dinner playlist, so I typed in What's for Dinner. Then I clicked Create. A split screen will pop up. One side says there are no videos in this playlist. The other side will have the name of your playlist, a grayed out video icon, and some other stuff. Your playlist will be automatically set to public unless you click that drop down arrow to change it. Note the two little pencil arrows that allow you to edit. You can adjust or change your title at this time, or you can add a description. Keep in mind that a playlist can show up in search, so when you add a description to your playlist, you want to optimize your playlist description just like you would a video description. So consider using the same SEO tactics for playlists that you use for your videos. So let's add a description. Click on the pencil next to the description box. Note, I tweaked the title and added the word playlist. I also put in my description and optimized it with several keyword phrases, including what's for dinner, quick and easy dinner ideas, one-pot meals, instant pot recipes, and slow cooker recipes. Click Save. You will need to go back to your channel so you can access your videos. Do this by clicking on your icon in the top right. When a drop-down box opens up, choose your channel. When your channel homepage opens up, choose Videos. I think choosing Videos is easier because it allows you to see all the videos, and then you can find the ones you want very easily. So a selection of your videos will appear, and choose the video that you want to go into the playlist by mousing over it. 3 little dots will appear. Mouse over the dots and you will get several options. Choose Save to Playlist. You will get a list of playlist options. The playlist most recently created will appear on top. However, other playlists the video appears in will also pop up. This gives you the option to either remove them from those other playlists or to leave them be. The choice is yours. I'll click on the What's for Dinner playlist, and note the dialog box at the bottom lets me know the video has been saved to my new What's for Dinner playlist. Now I have the option to close this screen or create another playlist. I will close the screen by clicking the X. That takes me back to my videos screen. If I want to add another video to the playlist, I can find it now, or if I'm just building the playlist and there are no more videos yet to add into it, I will just go to the playlist to make sure that my video is there. Let's go to the playlist and see whether or not my video's in there. You can see from the screen that one video is in the playlist, and it's our slow cooker classic chicken, carrot, and chickpea stew. Okay, so let's save one more video to the playlist. I want to make sure that you've got this. We'll go back to videos and choose the February Pantry Challenge video. Hover or mouse over the video and note the three little dots that appear. Click on the dots and choose Save to Playlist. Click on the What's for Dinner playlist. Now we should have 2 videos in our new playlist. Note the What's for Dinner box is checked and the dialog box popped up letting us know that it's been saved. If you need more instruction on how to save videos to a playlist, I'll link my How to Save Videos to a Playlist with an iCard above and in the description box below. It shows you not only how to save your videos to a playlist like we just did, but let's say you were in a collaboration and you wanted to add your videos to that playlist. It all shows you how to do that, how to add videos to someone else's playlist. So again, I'll link that above with an iCard and in the description box below so you can check that out. Alright, so close the screen by clicking on the little X. Go to Playlist and you should see 2 videos in the playlist. So now you know how to create a playlist, but what if you want to share it? Let's say you're hosting a collaboration and you wanted to allow other people to add videos or save videos to your playlist. Here's what you need to do. First of all, you need to be in the playlist, so click on View Full Playlist. Your playlist will open up showing the title and the description on the left, and you'll also see a few more options, and the videos saved to the playlist will appear on the right. Note there are 3 little dots that are hiding behind my top keywords button. Hover or mouse over those dots and see what options appear. Choose Playlist Settings. Don't choose any options on this screen. You want it to stay just as it is because you do not want new videos coming in to the top of the list. You want them to populate soonest to latest. On the other hand, if you are creating a playlist strictly for your own use, then you do want new videos to go to the top because you want your newest videos to go to the top of the list so that as people come and check out your playlist, they'll see your newer videos first. But only choose that option if you are creating a playlist strictly for your own use. Otherwise, this screen is fine, so click Advanced Setting. Advanced Setting gives you several options. Leave it on Public so people can see it, and leave it on Embedding. What you will want to click on next is Auto Add. This gives you the option for videos to automatically populate to your playlist. You can decide if they need a hashtag, a particular keyword phrase, or whatever. Click Add Rule and choose the rule that you want, but it is best to only choose one rule. Chances are that if you choose more than one rule, that people will not have all the rules that you select. So only choose one rule. Either the title, the description, or the tag, but only choose one. If you choose a hashtag, you can put that where you want it, but I suggest you put the hashtag in the description box. I'm choosing the hashtag What's for Dinner Pantry Challenge as my example. So to automatically populate for this playlist, I'm using the hashtag I created, What's for Dinner Pantry Challenge, which should appear in the description. I am only using that one item. That way, if for whatever reason the video fails to populate in the playlist, I can use the hashtag to capture it, and then I can pop it in the playlist myself. However, the use of the hashtag should allow creators' videos to be captured automatically. And note, there are no spaces between the words, no punctuation, and no symbols. Click Save. It will shuffle through a couple of screens Then it should come back to playlist settings. This time you're going to click on collaborate. I think it's best to use this option when you are involved in a closed collaboration. Let's say you are collaborating with 2 or 3 people, but it will work in an open collaboration. What it does is it gives you a link that you can send to the collaborators, or that you can just make available to anyone who has the link to add to your playlist. So again, I think this option is best for a closed collaboration, but it will work for an open collaboration. You just have to get the link. So choose the box that says invite collaborators to add videos by sharing this link with them. And then you will send the link to them by email. So click on get the link. Now note, a link appears in the dialog box that you will copy and paste into a Word document, so you will have it. You want to copy and paste that link right away, save it to a Word document, just save it somewhere else so that you have it to refer back to when you want to put it in your description box or wherever you need to send it, say in an email to a collaborator, but copy and paste it right away and save it before you close that box. Now, one thing I want you to be sure to note is that there is a deactivate button that you can choose when your challenge or your collaboration is over and you don't want people adding to the playlist after a certain time. You'll need to come back into the advanced settings and click on the deactivate link, and then that should close it. And then after that, no one should be able to add to that playlist. So right now, we're going to leave it alone. Just click save and your playlist is set up. Now this takes you back to the home screen of the playlist that you are working in. So if you want to create a link that allows creators to share that playlist, or you want to put that link in your description box for viewers to come and check out your playlist, then you will need that shareable link. So click the share button. Note the dialog box that pops up and 2 very important items. 1 gives you a link to use to put in your videos and that others can use to access your playlist. It also gives you the option to allow people with the link to add videos. Click that link. This is the option you want to choose if you have an open collab. It just seems to work out better for me. When I fail to choose this option, people have trouble saving their video to my playlist. But when I click allow people with this link to save videos to my playlist, it seems to work out just fine. Now notice when you select this link, it gives you a longer link. It's similar to the other link, but it has an additional code which will allow anyone with the link to save videos to your playlist. I don't believe this link can be deactivated, but it should allow whoever has the link to add or save videos to your playlist. So remember, the short link allows people to view your playlist. The longer link allows creators to add videos or to save videos to your playlist. And it is the longer link that you will make available to creators. If you need more information about how to save videos to a playlist, I will link my video, How to Save to a Playlist, with an iCard above and in the description box below. So here's the question of the day. Did this tutorial help you figure out how to create a playlist, not only on your own channel, but if you're hosting a collaboration and you need to allow others to add to your playlist? If the answer is yes, then drop me a yes, it was helpful, in the comments section below, and give me a thumbs up. If you still have questions, join me for the Q&A live stream on Sunday at 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Again, that's YouTube Talk at 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday, where if you have questions, we can address those at that time. And I can also answer other questions that you might have in regards to YouTube. And then we'll also have some updates on open invites and collaborations that you just might want to jump in on. And if you like this video, be sure and check out how to save videos to a playlist, or my video on how to live stream. I'll link both of those with an iCard above and in the description box below. And don't forget, if you want to get started doing product reviews on your YouTube channel, download my free product review checklist. I've got it linked in the description box below. So all you've got to do is click on the link, enter your email address, follow a couple of prompts, and then you'll get immediate access to my free product review checklist so you can learn how to do product reviews the right way. And if you're interested in tips, talk, and strategy on how to grow your influence through YouTube, subscribe. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you next time.